Plastic decomposing bacteria in the sea. First, we'll see how microplastics, those tiny plastic fragments, are washed into our oceans. These plastics can be devoured by various creatures, but not all of them are beneficial. Next, the heroes in this battle against pollution, the amazing bacteria. These tiny organisms can consume even the largest plastic particles and convert them into smaller, more manageable forms. Finally, the incredible process of these bacteria turning plastic waste into energy. By doing so, they not only help clean our oceans, but also provide a vital food source for other marine life. What do you think about these bacteria? Write in the comments column. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.